In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Squarespace site secure. When you're running a website, especially one that might handle sensitive user data, making sure it's as secure as possible is a top priority. Squarespace already offers robust security features, but there's always room to up the ante. That's precisely what we'll cover today: how to enhance your Squarespace site security in just a few clicks. Let's start with the basics. Go to the Squarespace homepage. This is where every security journey begins. Once you're there, you'll notice a login button, usually at the top right corner of the screen. Clicking on this will take you a step closer to securing your digital space. Now, Squarespace offers a few ways to log in, but for simplicity and added security, we recommend using the Continue with Google option. This method leverages your existing Google account for an extra layer of security through Google's robust authentication mechanisms. Just click on Continue with Google and choose the Google account you wish to use. After successfully logging in using your chosen Google account, the next step is to navigate to your website. You can do this by selecting the site you want to secure from your Squarespace dashboard. This dashboard is essentially your mission control for everything related to your site, so get familiar with it if you aren't already. Once on your site's dashboard, look for the Settings option. This is where all the magic happens in terms of site configuration and, yes, security enhancements. In the Settings menu, find and select Developer Tools. This might sound a bit technical, but don't worry, we're just here to enable a few options. In the Developer Tools menu, there's an important feature called SSL, Secure Sockets Layer. SSL is paramount for website security. It encrypts data transferred between your website and your users, everything from login credentials to personal information. Click on SSL to proceed. Now, you'll see a few options, but we recommend choosing Secure, short Preferred. This option ensures that every connection to your website is encrypted, protecting both you and your users from prying eyes. But we can take it a step further. Look for an option labeled HSTS Secure. Enabling HSTS HTTP strict transport security adds another layer of encryption, beefing up your site's security posture significantly. Lastly, don't forget to click on Save to apply all the security settings you just adjusted. This might seem obvious, but it's a common pitfall to make all the right changes and forget to save them. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've significantly increased the security of your Squarespace website, ensuring that both your data and that of your users are much safer from potential threats online. Remember, in the digital world, staying vigilant and proactive about security is key. Regularly review your security settings, keep an eye on Squarespace updates, and always opt for the most secure options available. Thanks for watching, and make sure to secure your digital presence today.